Are you a small business owner and perhaps you don't know how to read a profit and loss, but you're too embarrassed to ask your accountant or somebody else? Give me a minute of your time and I'll explain it to you. Let's go. Part 1, your sales. Often referred to as top line, revenue, turnover, sales. It's how much you're getting from your customers. If you're registered for GST, you take the 10% off, and that's what that figure is up there. The second thing we want to have a look at is your purchases, your cost of goods sold. Now, if you are a business that sells inventory or stock, it's adjusted for any stock on hand at the end of the year. This is to purely give you an indication of the actual cost of your goods sold, hence the name. If you're a service-based business, this might include things like direct labour. The next part is gross profit. Very important. Now, your gross profit is your sales, the top line, less your cost of goods sold. This gives you a really good indication of your profitability on what you're selling. It's often referred to as a percentage as well. So the percentage would be your gross profit divided by your sales. So if your gross profit percentage is, say, 40%, that means for every dollar of sales, you're making 40 cents. Then we've got all of the expenses. Not very good at pointing the finger. These are all the other expenses that your business incurs. Your rent, your advertising, your accounting fees, bank fees, everything else that you've got in your business that you're spending. Then at the very bottom, which is hard to get the finger to point, you've got the net profit. Now, the net profit is what's left at the end. So the net profit is your gross profit less your expenses. That's what's left at the end of the day. Similar to the gross profit, you can look at this in a percentage, which is your net profit divided by your sales. And once again, same principles apply. If you like this video, please like, follow, and if you want to head on over to my Instagram at Nat Leno for more. Have an awesome day, everybody. Hope now you can read a profit and loss.